Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about Klevu's latest connector and integration with Yotpo. Yotpo is a great tool to collect customer reviews and ratings on an e-commerce website. At Klevu, we believe in providing the best possible product discovery experience, and hence we thought of collaborating with Yotpo and reading product review data from Yotpo and using it in Klevu Merchant Center. For e-commerce brands and merchants, this opens up new avenues and ways to truly suggest and recommend products that are both relevant and credible. Firstly, let's take a look at how easy it is to integrate with Yotpo. Head over to Klevu Merchant Center, click on connectors from the bottom left and find Yotpo card. Just click on configure. Once you've landed on the configuration page, you'll be asked to connect. Make sure you have Yotpo running in another tab logged into your account that you wish to connect with the Klevu store. Back in Klevu, I will click on connect. This will open up some permissions. I'm going to go ahead and authorize this permission. And once done, you'll get settings successfully saved for your store. Data will be synced in a few time. You'll also see a sync status right over here that will state when was the last sync that took place with Klevu. Klevu will sync with Yotpo once a day, but we have provided an option if you wanted to perform an on-demand sync, you could click on for sync. The data that we're syncing with Yotpo is of twofold. The first one, for every product that is synced with Klevu, we're going to fetch the average rating for that product. And secondly, we're going to fetch the number of reviews for that particular product as well. Both of these are synced in Klevu, and you're able to see this by navigating to store info, by going to catalog browser. When you see your products over here, just add customer reviews or rating in this case and apply. You'll see that the data has started to populate from Yotpo. Once the data is synced in Klevu, e-commerce brands and merchants can use this product data in multiple ways. The first one, I could be able to use these customer reviews and sort of rating data as a facet on my storefront. You would head to Smart Search, Customization. I would find Facets, and I would find the one that says Rating. In this case, I've already checked it, and I'm putting the facet caption as Customer Reviews, and I've brought this a little bit higher on the order list. Once done, click on Save, and then head on over to your storefront to check the facet on search results page and the search overlay. So when I now go back to my storefront, when I search for, I will now see customer review facet or rating facets coming up here. Similarly, when I'm on my search results page, I would see a similar facet here as well. The same facet also appears when I'm navigating different category pages if you have chosen to enable smart category merchandising with Klevu. The next use case of using Yotpo review and rating data is by far the most interesting. We are now providing the ability, if merchants want to include product rating data, to be considered in the Klevu AI to determine product ranking. The way to set this up is by going into Klevu Merchant Center, going into Store Info from the bottom left, heading over to the Ratings tab, and checking this checkbox here that says Consider rating and rating count in self-learning score. Once you've set this up and once you've saved this, in addition to checkout data, product click data, and other factors, Klevu AI will also consider the review and rating data from Yotpo while considering product ranking within Klevu.